For 8 solid years, na MPP nye auditing we. Do you know how much they spent on the audit? $18 million. And over the year auditing no, ewo Cocoa rules. Who year ya watam $45 million? Sidi amako abana Wontumi.
Oh, you remember how one Baba Menko MC.
Oh wow.
The friend General Captain Smart or how do you say? Senior Kwaba.
It was a JV.
Did you fine?
Ah, I want to.
Who are better no?
David says they are would say. Oh, my guy, concrete, no.
And of course, from my far left, also the board member at the Ghana Water Company, a friend of Mr. Aglow, Chief Akwaba. Who are better? You're fine. You're fine. Yes. And my immediate left, the MC for our win constituency, a friend of Stephen Moche, Chief Akwaba.
Yeah,
you be able to there.
I'm not doing
the body I say. My man started from the extreme far left. Nothing me from Brad. I mean, Brad me drew Honomo. Chairman, so and then open now you do come for BNI, or let's say the National Investigative Bureau, and I said the NIB. Omo arrest whichever Wontumi last Friday. Amokoka so yari and not shedding them no come sa. After we actually the lawyer and the appear could be. I think to say no oyari. Na nyame adoma ene adwa da odeba be pimo CID headquarters. Na fe ne ohobia no omotumi ene Ghana police for edi. They we so I hear the transport fare last Saturday naka it was say someone to say fare ne bo so bad. It looks as if say they're still marking time. Ewo Ghana had them say transport omotumi to so ene sa. Nti be hwe na ewia yakọ awowin first day awowin so am say awowin proper. Na fe ye di ho no mo nkomo so ye omo MC wo ha no mo de MC NG for mo chief executive yot wa kika de Mami dani mo kakra so Honorable Stephen Moche the MC for our win na what to say
me aje bi boko hoye
okay Mami go straight. There's a growing concern over Honomo Efa Galamsey related activities eko Honomo sisi awa confirm cross chema Wontumi Galamsey no ye no ye bi wo opeso aso Honomo. Now tell me so far so what dey na koso
yo Debi me da se nyame so aso ma me sa kwanya before some kasa no ma me enda your president John Dramani Mahama me nda na se babia obia no chia no na me chia me regional chairman chairman Bigedu na me chia me regional minister honorable Webet Petit Brentum ene awo iman nyina mo amoti me nyina na je bi mo ka Wontumi asem in fact who say my din wa ha na me nimsa wo iman bebre na eso because sa good na captain can say o show no a TV so how mo bia ho ni na free me ho sa konta yes me person so me ko influence sa konta mine na nkasa na me ho ne ho
oh sir
yes me ho ne ho na onim
asamra bo she wase
no samra boy ni awowin e bo she
okay
but sa forest reserve no numre ni wenim ni na me ho na
numre forest she wase
e she me ho enti samra boy ni say ura say akonta mine ni we say enti forest na e wo ho no ni nyina na Wontumi no more pretty for the last 8 years.
No, mami getting it clearer. Na oye legal mining and no first no oye community mining and a large scale mining and I said no oye Galamsey.
Me dear party and say Galamsey na no oye.
Very well.
Because who say Samra boy no be branch say akose. Na on we high medium. Enti forest no go ha say na kro wo forest na chi. That's a forest no da. Chrono infin.
Okay.
Enti say ye kwakoye campaign kura this say fat through the forest.
Oh, okay.
No de macho men aye ye gates. Wunya kwenti ye kura ye kokura. Omuntumi stop here on my own.
From the forest to the town no facility men.
Yeah, town be the Kojobote. Enti ufi baby the free town. Oba be free town say ya na we be cross forest no ansa na Kojobote. Nti forest ni mu na omo adwuma no nti omo ye gates wow omo atoto to barriers no na ade a odi macho men na gugu ho so now sisi ade yame adom ye ba ye yatumi apamo omo ama ami ye wo national security for an empire for our mobile forest and home. As I'm talking to you right now.
So they are not operating it?
No, they are not operating right now. This is the on track. About me and Kwadwo because when you as a film and said you woke up and say Rastos when Wontumi show who said there almost say forest nepa unia ukra obesu and me no ka say yatumi ache ya CID excavators and 3 days me no be count me will be 35.
What excavators 35
na ya CID assembly was say as I'm talking to you
into
and and they offer me one inventory ni captain back crying into back crying into me by me boys in some kwachi too e kan ho say you 35 na pool no 35 ye enti ade papa no wadi anya pa.
So it confirms to us say Galamsey is ongoing e wa win constituency.
It's ongoing but who say ye ni omoko and said American ye hint na who say to be very honest you know we know the largest constituency in terms of land size for the whole region. Yes, so pa. And I say, I will come forest reserve pa me honey biwo. Because share wasam fee. Sasa nkigwan mi na omo they don't even have maybe a 1 acre of forest. But you win want to sha ayi ni na ba be dam so. And na wo sha porous your friends say boundaries na man for road na dey.
So if you want more to me the Cote d'Ivoire, near there.
Elibo ho, Amenfi ho, Seshi ho. Swama ho nti we win share
Vivi honorable patrol say excavators na you do say
since you am 35
what 35
since you also watch 35
yes e wo CCA
in how many days
say oh yeah me take your office now already no ye win here na ye take operation
okay
and then na minya emma office ye nya kakra and na me buy enso ye nya bi so aka ho nti I think I'm in my 4th week in office.
Oh, okay. Just a month.
And oh, yeah, confirm.
Oh, yes. Yeah, 100%. 100%.
I see.
I be enya grokra nti galam say no there and I may use mo medium here there warning obi bia say obinum nam enro chikra dey nipa no or say river do so no em say unim say river do so any there ye mean so a sabe yesu so a ye de ye nyina ye cheba bia e ko win about 40-50% of microphone nyina depend on the river do so and on ma kwa share soro into almost saying I just say obia and when they go there the advice of zone they are telling them say oh MC says Steve they say madam for
oh
Steve they madam for nti and some are even using my name say me na me mama kwan obia me chiri agalam say yes me say ya me no kasa be omo adi no me ne NGO bi guso a me ba be reclamation ba be kata asase no me say me na me ba sa ba say kakra aka no nti misro mo so bibia ba na so be daada wa enya no kreda nti captain Wontumi asem ne de ende ye di akire pa yakopon say nka no kre president yes no say Wontumi pa to me kojel pa was asem no ho e be ye de because papa na di enya e wa we di enya ye forester ye ni da so say ye wasi asay no at the right time remember a video ayi amamo was say forest report obi ani ho a onya hwe because that are not being say na ban power anti or the power to destroy
MC wo hosesi ya and na wo ma ya te ase say wo de wani hu ye as MC aban crash no Wontumi edimunya
wadiminya papa
enti yanchine ntum all right
yanchine kura me kura mpo no ebia me kura me some me de ne be court or something because said was ya sign masase no I mean he has to come and pay for it uko na the video any pictures our captain wo hwe ya obesu wo hwe forest pa da ho na ye hwe the current state no na we the previous state pa kirewa captain wo hwe ya obesu.
Number 2 question maybe some of 3 questions number 2 omabu no mo wa wo win they have been crying almost soon omugusu sun so mu ni adwuma ye I didn't say what is going on
me da say our win seriously about 60-70% of a population among farmers
yes
and ye said that ni companies na ayinum wo no mo a nti ye wo problem wo employment na me no ka say amam omunim ye tutu anamon bebre since America says reclamation ayi kra ye ba be ye excavators ni we be ba ho ba be fele land no so ye benya employment me no ka say
these are temporary employment permanent ones
permanent ones since America say aban ni so anap national apprenticeship program ye kono electoral area by electoral area ye register wo enti unua early days yet many NGOs ne companies be bring na kasa say be ya me ankasa me die bol matumi anya employment amount na sesi ano nyema bebre ho ameye mintumi enkase enne no chena ya adwuma bi baba me guso me tututu ho na mo
number 3 sasem we ne kan din ni bi say din but me bisa
onia
na nanu matena konwa any the member of parliament omo ko asase ho aye supposed or an alleged illegal mining site we say MP na eye we say nananom na eye wo na MC wo na adam fifi wo so ya himfi akola forgive my words but ya himfi akola so what is going on there between nananom Atankonya any member of parliament Oscar for Ilabi
yo give me person adawase asemu ye asemu in fact I have me pa because me no ka say ye hia niam bebre wa wo wi a e wo say nananom Atankonya any MP any me etu one among number 1 nursing training college I was saying nya wo ho a me yura akando adi nkoma this year ohia ye miensa no say ye miensa bebom na ye tu one among Amarteifio amayebi we ye no free wa ye electricity problem ye very well complete no me dey ba ho
okay
ye wo problem I was saying nya south station and also nananom any MP ni me and I was say kabom they to me copre na de ba
cause you tell one ka be ya
anaka o ya
electricity
when na ye nyoma e was say me ensa no ye ka bomu ensa na ye nya enti it tells you say nananom ne eye MP omuntam wo are say na ma wonyina be den e be bome enti e ya de asem a edama koma so pa na ye tu one among as head of music no yatumi afre MP atie the side of the story na omanhene nso ayi ne rep mienu yatie later no ye ne say na MP because MP no dikan kwotena Peace FM anumere program bi na okan say omanhene no mpo galamsey no na de nti no nanom demand say onkoye den onkopa chew na omuntu ye nyina ntumi ye den metena say because babi okokan asem no onkopa chew ho nti meni MP etu music yen say many MP nko Peace FM te many ba Peace FM MP be pa achew ba assistance no echew pa no wo hwa allegations yes in some okeka na no wo hye so nananom mo kire say no onye bema ade no pa achew they are all for peace but niam bia okeka to say nana sabe nana galamsey wo kan ya kan say sabe nana kura ye MPP ni say nananom so de omo ye neutral people nti say to me publicly na say wo okeka nana wo party A and party B a no person what say nana sabe oye bias nti nananom kire say on kwatena the same radio station na okokan asasem no na on san ka say me na me kan ye nana anya MPP nana anya galamsey then we can come and sit down yes okay on FM MP no
he said that
yes he said it
and mind you say
Obia invite you or no Obia invite you
mind you say the current MP why MC for 8 years with the same constituency da
boy
nti eyade a sesi ameno kase de majority leader the letter ba say ohia nana ene MP no more I den resolve asem no on say here there
oh no well I will not sit here and say but it will not be wise for him to be come
da bia mamon kansa eno de ye party na better
no I don't know party
okay analysis go ha
ye sit no ye for your pastor
ono ne abanga na contest here NDC NPP abanga abanga Fuseni na difference no say
between MP any abanga and 103
between Mahama and 103 votes between Mahama yes between Mahama and Bawumia na say
10,400
it is a say it will not be wise for him to contest again.
Oh, David, I know there are so many factors.
103.
There are so many factors. I was saying because just say we are me.
Banga come call for
David, I mean the things is needed. Or bet we can handle crowds. Yeah. Oh, na mini evidence just
no, it's a question.
No, mini evidence.
MP2 na want to be.
Mini evidence we have MP2.
But still, no, nama uchi excavated.
Yeah, me excavated.
Once you are involved in actually arresting or apprehending the excavators. You might know the operators or the ownership.
Very good.
Excavators no change one more.
Oh, make your more site.
Our site. Site will know.
Oh, baby. Within my 5 per month location. Machibi Yakese. Yakese top wall.
Yakese was where.
Yeah, Machibi or Air Banner. Agyapong. Machibi or Air Ajum.
Yakese no one there.
So one original minister.
Oh, Yakese site on one there.
Oh, since you granted boy, I say your friend.
I agree.
Kevin, I don't know.
Why there?
Boy, no friend Kevin.
And the boy no way.
O says here because there's some matching machines, so they are waiting for us to go.
The can way.
Oh, the can be our boy MPD and our boy Mahini.
Maybe the are they at the jurisdiction of the chiefs or the MP?
Oh, no, sir. Me information say.
You see,
machine
head of the security. It's your investigation.
The final question. Now, Masako, Captain Honomo. Jema is the only community in our win within our winner.
Yes.
Oma bani galamse. I only want no cracker galamse.
Oh yes. Because
it's the only community.
Yes, Roman Father Biwo.
Yes, I didn't think that other communities within that will win cannot follow suit.
But that lead to our question.
To be very honest with you, I mean, young Kadokre, and they say, Galamse, no, Captain, you can't just go and enter into somebody's forest. So, one. Before say obey Galamse Krano, and was said. Wunya empanyinfo bi mo be ye nsuo na wo de ba be adwuma kwa ye amamre wo nsuo no and nananom na ye sa amamre no what you say fact na make catch no I am just trying to tell you the truth nti say ye Galamsey fight no enye ade a e wo say MC ko a e wo say nananom ne ye nyina ye den ye ka ho me the law enforcement agencies in the under me I can command them say mo ko say nti me te say bia obi wo captain chair one or the excavator si wona wo dia me say mon kwankwache excavator no you bedu no mo ina dwane
na ka excavator
no so we always get the electrician on board the electrician on board no dwane a obey bibi no starting no then low bed na ye the ababa be see assembly
electrician
oh yes because on dwane
abeka ho bi
oh abenka ho
Karim so
Karim nka Karim nka
one day met what na ha kasa story no dey actually
but
MC ka bibi on that's very serious.
But for bisa for Toma
JV no for
or say and sana we forest no I involved with second Galamsey no this say there
amamre
9 years amamre no
say
no say ni MP o kusanto kwano at least you must know
entina mecha say ade ne yayi bia akoso for some time it is see no say pese solve here somebody two ase a e wo say ne nananom MP ne nyina
it's a roundtable discussion
Jema say they wanted to come to this forest no I'm said the other time he was on TV
yeah I hosted those guys
me tape who said I nanano can say I think they almost say is it 5 million Ghana cedis or something and the command nanano so says ya na won do kakra ya this kind of command nanano rejected. He was very bold. Yes. Until it depended. Say you na anya ba ko a. Into me to Galamsey we say. Ha e mani nye yi. That is my approach. I was saying na nanom ye nyina trans say. Now I will win no a no go zone for Ebia Galamsey na obi bia ase.
All right.
Ye no ye de ne de. Se mete say ye di o ha we ko no mo adwane. And the excavators and also the metro mo the about some.
Chief,
my main captain quick one. Captain, my memo 2 minutes na wrap up on this one. Who we are you talk to our win for Odo Casa, Brosa Casa de Omeka. But Chief, my main member of Honomo.
Okay. Finally on the Wontumi thing.
Yes.
The company now a friend of Hallmark Civil Engineering Limited.
Also company be a friend.
Say a company no the JSA contract no.
Okay, Akunta into mining.
Akunta Hallmark road and a Hallmark Civil Engineering. And no
okay.
Roads and building construction. And then he registered the company in 2018.
Okay.
Now, Ono your director.
Okay.
want to be a director of the said company. And then one Doris Kwenubi.
Okay.
And also a director of company name. And then they have one Constance Gyamfi.
Okay.
And also your company the secretary.
Okay.
Eti Uko register generals documents na wo hona. Company registration ni ade ni na no. Bra pani di mutintiman. Now, e kwan no wonya you. Ba koko board ama usika no.
Wow. Wakwaji sika do koko board ho.
Waji yetua de ka. Yaman 51 million Ghana cedis.
But e kwan no nye.
Ba kwan no na so papa if you want e ba. Oh, you want
but koko rose e kwan de yaye.
Yenye.
Yenye mu ba kokra.
Ona to yi.
Okay.
Enu nti no ho he. Se yechi wuntimi na ukodi na chi a. Wadwen nye adwuma te se wo papa. Se yechi wuntimi na wo te Ghana ha wo ye bebunu wo so wo ye MPP ni. Na wo koye dede se ye nja wuntimi wadwen nye adwuma te se wo papa.
Captain Ejano kra wo win de ye be
because tie. Waji aban sika 51 million Ghana cedis so okoye kwan wote wo krom akurase. Wanu moto hu say we MPP ni enti wo tumrika kwakod say yenjai free Wontumi. Are you crazy? Oji 51 million Ghana cedis no obre wo mama bi ana so obre wo papa bi.
When the 51 million.
Anya koko board de koko board de tia.
Ono mu tia ye.
Yeah.
Okay. Koko board
the cross o tia ye so or ensure say or the certificate aba to ensure say why value for money.
Mama just 1 minute in come 2 minutes. Koko board wo. Se kasi investigate koko board I am telling you on authority. One here you better commissioner Makufado.
And what is preventing us?
Koko na e call from I say Ghana, ye koko a ye tono ya ho odin call from say 400,000 metric tons no. Enye hwe. Koko board sponsor MPP campaign in more than 40%.
In which year?
Yeah, 2024.
2024 elections.
MPP used $482 million. They should go to me anywhere in this country and call me. I'll come and answer.
482.
MPP spending $482 million on 2024 elections. And they lost. So it should send a signal. It should send a signal to MPP for it to say, party to be spending $482 million at the year campaign. That's a report or say Ghana for your near beer this time. You're near tea. What I say? Whoa! That's also what time when you want to
if you can never be time, that be here. The point is that if MPP spend that huge amount of dollars year campaign, there's a near Bemo. On all kinds of cocoa boss kaka.
Ah, who better chance won't be Jesus away? On what I say. Cocoa boss kaka home. But my point is say, Kasanu Yagosu. You understand me?
No, but the person who paid Wontumi must also be arrested.
No, but that person is no more there.
No, but it doesn't matter. What you scan your mobi? Why ensure say we raise certificates to ensure say why you do no what you scan now?
Go for him. The former director of finance, Cocoa board. Enemy package so.
And then director of finance no.
He should be arrested.
Senior. Cocoa board is sika. Cocoa board was director of finance. Cocoa board were accountants. Cocoa board were internal auditors.
Yeah.
And the Cocoa board was CEO.
Yeah.
Before the director of finance would have that authority to pay.
Yeah. There should be an instruction from
exactly.
There should be an instruction from somewhere.
The said document probably might have gone through all the processes for him to be the final person to pay.
One of
the best investigation body within the sub-region, Ghana Police, CID.
Yeah.
Mati say we are here, we swasa here. Cocoa board over 200 containers of other containers a year. We refer this issue to the Ghana Police Service. Quickly, those who are involved, even to BNI. What they are saying, because let them pay for it. They are not paying for it. We are treating them with kid blues. And I have no. That's my personal worry. What they are saying, can you imagine $482 million?
That's a part in their campaign. Do
you understand?
Yeah.
And they are roads all over the place.
honorable lawyer defender and the
Agyapong.
Sikasa na the Constituency $5 million.
Yeah, $5 million.
The ECG over 70 billion. Cocoa board. Just imagine how many billions people bought billion to say you win catch here. And they're just working freely. And that guy called the general secretary had the tenacity. Catch a proposal say they should pour out. Oh no, police I don't
finally,
know. The system is too. I mean,
my member, Honorable Stevie Moche, for Okronu Juju, for catch in the next 2 minutes. And Bejujo. Now, give them that level of assurance. My wife na check because next time you say you one on one feeding gomoye.
Meda say I will remind meda emase obia my 80 me ba be wa bochi be wole ka bia ma be won gana wale ka bia meda emase che money ameo ninje don wo be ma ye bayo wo brusawa me ne modudwe ya wu company me be frebe Sun Power solar company be boye na be moye solar light wo all the major streets e wo NJ boka government hospital boka ote nana bring to secondary school boka training college maye wo be because ka ye light dwe de omu na emose che oyese nana ECG from be 1G be na be photo because light be twi be fi le kabi be flebe half asni it will be done dem obali che bia mo kosi bia o ma ye light nko off it o ma da bia ye light off we it take so major institutions on Bobeduma ye cry ye so project ya ene go so te assemblies ka otimi mu onu alaye me pele na me wu NGOs na me family yo esika mo la so hote about 4 million Ghana cedis that is about 40 billion ye na so my NGOs when be judge me ko bo amena maframa ye so project ninje ndon obe my me ko che me yo asie mo Berlin ko tim ko che me reclaim na asie me family du a ai maka pa na ma brosa ye wotoye me salamo moti galam se dwa de mangan dwa in fact mo koso brosa du mai o seche me salamo che wo ma ye tuya bo yenzie me obe mo de me ngo me bia atin obi e wo be na bie ba nan ho se me ye me wa elia so e mo hye na mo chechire be fe bele me
all right
o de mo fele me ma be backfire because me galam se de e bia se che me so me mo ma ye bo na brosa o paja nwowa me tuya ho atin lika bia mo che ngo me ko na ma mpumtu ba awon ma ye kwati ye won me da mo kwati ase me da otime pa AS7 o me wa me da ase nyame ayilai chebia ma oyo bia nyame aboai no ma ye paja won so na ye fa won ye juru ka mo chejo me de bia ase
all right that's Mamina wase chief Mamina Sagboshi na honorable Stevie Moche Mamina wase nsem o kan ni na tofa say mo support no na nyema opeso ye no onye e wo no captain na free
me chete for na me kancho me mo ache you are in Kobe bia we'll talk and talk better. But you see, Wontumi issue no Jimmy. Politicians na yo Ghana hano. Mienu na ti mienu ye mfimfin.
Yes.
Wo mienu na ye NDC for.
Yeah, NDC for years.
O ma so den pa.
Politicians na so den.
I'm telling you. Hwe, se president e yusu a. Opeso chiro se party no mu ina wo na wadwumi. De bia obehu se nipa ba ko president bi e yusu do wo na ye yusu ese se ohun se party ni mu nyina wo na wadwumi wonim wo mo de ye ka de Agyapong wo mo yusu ka de Agyapong eke kan se hun krom ha sa kan gbagba sa eyire so no na afei party for na hun se hierarchy na hun se ya twe ka de Agyapong mu nsuo nyina awie
edin ehwe nye
ya twene mu nsuo awie so no so hu say no o ye me fanfu no o se me nya president ni bia medi because ya de di no wo de no to nchen a after no omo yusu abronye so at a certain point in time abronye became the one in the NPP as a yepia ball and mana no do kosumi na so do akohwe ato agu
that's
right. Not on the call. When we are no, and we say no, I feel you're an executive member. It's here you switch my Wontumi. Wontumi, yeah, but I think say because of politics, until we take so many things for granted in this country. Number one, John Dramani Mahama. Now, or you're the leading opposition leader in this country. As now what the one second assembly to me sikrum.
Absolutely.
Now watch this. Wontumi on TV essay ono ordinary kosua mienu no ehu tie ne ye ordinary ehu say John Mahama yere ye maame Lordina kodwam okodidwa abenu aduane na ofiri dwom na okuta ne board ya ne banch ne niema na wakodidwa ne de ba fie no obeduru ye no e na ohun say wo house help John Mahama butu so.
Can you imagine this?
Ene da. Ama Lordina buafu. Enu nti na Lordina mpese obeye campaign.
That is so dangerous.
Me tell and I was thinking said the then national security will behave say wo mo national security but then party security. Don't want invite you to me because so the new a cameras be no the quarter tare Mahama fee. And at that material moment, I would not can you can see a shot some say Mahama your opposition leader. As a say or your former president.
Yeah, a statesman.
Obi say ordinary ko hu woni fie o teni say on the house help eda. Ema ne yire buafu. Wontumi the cameras na kwhye former president fie. Say kura no SSC ya chiwu ntumi. Be ya de ne ko president kufo fie.
Yeah. Edne ko na do fie. Yes,
ne de ko na do fie. Ne ko hwese e bia on fa cameras bi nko hye hɔ a obema terrorist attacking anado. Obema terrorist attack J Kufo. Obema terrorist attack John Mahama and even the country at large.
Yeah.
Because okansa asem no every obi afa the try say if it's a political talk. Maybe your national security coordinator that time can won't be or a man come afie.
Call them.
Oh no yeah. Because one, you should be able to tell us and introduce to the security architecture of this country. Abaya na wo kano say otiminya access ABT security enter the bedroom
of the
former
president.
Then it means that lady, she's something else. Because no security under the sun, even the worst presidential security under the sun, will not allow a girlfriend to go through the doors of baby a former president to take the nakoda nempaso. But won't me can some way offer no ho edi. Again, Ojina Kumasi said say Mahama de Ghana soldier fo nyina di na chi
oni omo negotiate say ono na ye governor
na ode wo ba wo mu ntimi nya na hwe
aba
hwe wo ntimi kasa ase boso so no tuotumfo ka wo ntimi o kasa wo krom ha ase boso so a MPP bu no ona otua sabe yewura otumfo ka o kasa aso dwonso crude oil ase wo ntimi anjonso a Ghana yenya diesel yenya petrol yenya kerosene now who dwane
o kam
afei na who dwane time na ye cheche ye no se na okrum ha he thought say na F o ka say na ede and na wuntimi ni dem maslog and Toland cruiser
yeah
Ghana 40 President Kufo de Maslog ba Ghana ha no day na war launch ne ye na ye wase bi Maslog ye fan Toland cruiser but won't me at the Maslog eka
yeah
eka ba ya e land cruisers
that's also the small cars bi mi achi mi no kra wo Blue Gates e da Blue Gates
e dey na Maslog sika de Toland cruiser na waje no na de ahye ne ho na oto again, she forester or use you a contaminants.
Yeah.
So our constituency.
Our constituency.
Yes. The one our worry.
Yes. You better come yourself.
Wontumi Akufado etam forest ne man.
We no be try and trust the Ghana for
say. Or the man to the portions na gold ni tie ho no. O 2 year na ka nkate ase no. And Nana Dobeka say, as of now that I am speaking, tell you, bro, can no BTA. As of now, let us say, praying there, Akunta mines, and Yagalam say, now before time, no, Casana Akunta mines, no, yet to come will be a cabro for I don't know just a wabbing. Oh, and ne. What did the forest in the moon? Your forester, yet to us any nano, won't be demarcotene. Or deep forest in the Mwakotene, call South Forest in the Mirafi Forest in the Sabra boy. Sabra boy. Tamroad and Forest. That's right. Koshe, are there wire of forest in him? Aye ye Kurano, Anka, ye say, your forest reserve, Dentina ma Kufado. And then not buying to me, Tnas, share Yamian say, say, it's me a mine in our forest. Then partner by MPP for a dream. What the international engine who did say, Ghana, I am Mara. At was a see a bit the galan said, then cry, you be too good and said, then cry, dear, ye forest, dear, and Mrana say, Yambo Hobine. Because when the last tree dies, the last man will die. Yeah, sure. A dear chatwa was as so share, a nipa, a was as we now so, ye in an year chrono. Not forest that dahono. One more to me, I am Mrano, Adani and me. Adania Wontumi, Manakosi forest in him, a dreaming na, and they to the gold. No, were Timmy gold, and they are quite TV, so to say them good mobile phones in me. No, were ye gold, and your gold in gold bars. Now, on the TV, so cassette, this is cash. Now, Aqua Wayne and Amkrumha. National Security and because he was being used by the president, being used by Gabi Ochredako, being used by the former finance minister, being used by Asante Bedie too. He was being used and had the biggest support of the then Minister of Lands and Natural Resources, Jinapo. Okay. And when Jinapo realized that, Adiana Akwane Yenafedia, you remember the ministry wrote? Yeah, a letter. Yeah. The Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources wrote to the president. Your friend is saying, Minerals Commission, they wrote to the president. Absolutely. Forestry Commission, they wrote to the president. Ask yourself, Dentinema, President Gyamfi, Dentinema, President Anya Hoshe. He chop, I chop. Enti, and Niti pa lawyer now wafan no. And I think there's a strategic. Well, your friend saying yes. Recruitment of that lawyer. Yeah. But still, I know. Said ne one kwa one mechi Wontumi. Wontumi kaso. Obedem. Okon ne one mesa arresting war. The lawyer name. Ah. That's so your bema. So your bema. Wontumi so your bema. Ah. On the SS Asantema ye ne dia. On the do baby crop patch say o bombe kumase na. Just one negotiate really. Na. Bantama hene wo ho asafo hene wo ho kwentini akomo mo hwe akire ma asante hene no no se wo be wura kumase a wo be wura asante memu a je woni ono negotiate so ye bema enne e mane nko. All right, mesa ba ho no biem senior Wontumi asem no be ka bia na mankan Wontumi asem de me ba dia se me tena fi asan ke it's for you share for more say. Yeah, sure. For Manya Dajia, Modisha, Michia is Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana. Emami, the Vice President, Waba. Michia Party paying for Munya. Captain, to me during the weekend, CID phone a corner BNI. National Security. National Security corner. Michia clip via home. Now boys in a gate no said they were preventing the guys from entering. Your friend Bakupo Yando, he's the communication officer for the NPP. No, some macho boys.
No, those were the national security operatives. Some of them were the national security operatives. Later, the Ghana Police Service echo joined in that operation.
Okay.
And Omunya, the communication director in the Ashanti region for the NPP. I don't know ye the kase. And let me say, me say, yay, how I wish it's a national security operative officer.
No, but sometimes you wish, but it's not the issue. What I say. The omuye ni nyasa omumpene no. Ebe bobe 12 o'clock and no. Either they will agree or they will not agree. You see, I think that's how the security apparatus need to operate. I've been there before. What I say at national security. We invite operating. Yeah, we inviting us on bar. What they join? Let me tell you how Women was arrested.
Okay.
I don't know. A friend or giddy sound to me. Giddy. Oh, giddy. I mean, all over. One Friday afternoon, bare 1 o'clock, no Kobota region. How could the traffic light? Yeah. One good motorway. Unexpected.
How could you? Yeah.
Missy, how could the traffic light? On one end, and is a patrol and a car, me and Sudinichi.
I say, you're hoping.
Listen, we are thinking about 1 o'clock. Say, to me, say, you fear of Masino, and they're the biggest
palace, yeah.
Palace.
Yeah.
Say, never by 1 o'clock, either you be in a palace or you be at the police headquarters or BNI. Yes, sir. Sometimes you might be more. You see, when people get positions, they think say we are senior Mudio. As Captain said, I think it's even illegal. Say, Obawetin activities to exhibit go bars. It's illegal.
And that was the biggest disrespect to the land and to for His Royal Majesty.
No, but even to the law.
Yes.
What did I say? Because there were people behind him. And then such people are rather wanted by the state too. In the Okatakyie amount. Baku wanted. Baku was daddy a professional lecturer in public institutions. What did I say? So I think say last week Eddie Komo. I think I spoke to the Master Law Chief Executive.
Yeah.
So Omuji cars be more. Now through the effort of national security, they are GB. What did I say?
Yeah.
So you ask yourself, regional chairman, government vehicles, who fee?
Yeah.
For what purpose?
And I may say KMS Kabiti as a crowd will want to me.
Can I borrow the word of Kunadu Admiral Rollins? We are treating these guys with kid gloves.
KME excavators.
What do I say? Wontumi by this and I handcuffing the free Kumasi by road there in neighbor.
By road.
Yes. Now I who got who was out here.
I think by road which you
no, but I say on Nantio as one cannot just say.
I don't got the near trotting by. Put him more day.
Oh no, I destroy your forest. And then you are paying for it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nankamionwa, the day His Excellency your mama took the oath. Nankakum Hano, Mekamanuatum. Let me borrow a word from you. Ni Jimmy Intino, onto me. And that have led him to what? Look, Captain, I will not buy what you said earlier on because the first lady or former first lady, now first lady, Uncle Jum.
No, but I just want to say that some are on Oka, some Uncle Jum.
Uncle Jum.
First lady, be no Coach Jum, so top body and a batch.
Inti Ebiani, Nadia Niki Kanwa. No, can do pay. But it is or it was a security threat.
Yeah.
That can the pay day. You see, let's be careful. Anytime the security apparatus moves in to call for somebody's arrest, be very careful.
And especially
by law, we have not account.
Yeah, Justice Report could on his Facebook wall. Omuna Petrot for you, NPP for you, and Russian call First, Kumia then tells
I think the security, the CID could have invited him immediately.
Yeah, that was below the belt.
The CID is actually playing it too soft.
There be a seat in the bium. Or general secretary in the bium.
Yeah, how your campaign ground?
It's a
serious security issue.
There have been an issue in this country some time ago. Meaning, so okay, Kokwa do what some issue more.
No, that.
Oh, so it's awful.
Kokwa do what time no. Unkofo call ya my cross hobo. We are at the other side of the police headquarters. But based on my relationship with the security apparatus, no, I was able to go in.
Okay.
What you say? Now you be chill before. What they are saying to you? I need actually the truth. They be invite you and they do call to find out the truth. They are calling for the masses of the party. The police CID could have invited that guy. General Secretary and so what? My General Secretary will not make such a loose talk. That is the difference. What do I say? Baby, I want to Wontumi kono. Me and followers, I'll sit down home and watch. And I pray. It's my biggest prayer. So at least, Okatakyie.
Oh,
what is O? What is O? Yeah, watching no. Yeah, watching no. It's the
lawyer said the home fan. It's a want to me appear before the CID on Thursday. Yeah.
Me na me free hospital mafia near Chemi.
Now can you make Sammy, but I just have to
be measured.
Keep it in my chest.
Okay, that's fine.
The home fan yes National Security be and I'm more clinical.
Oh, okay.
Now home for information so
I also hold on.
Baby.
There be fatwa me yanko. Oh, what so security as we masemo. Ka sama na me yanko.
So no home fan. Information so
hospital.
National Security obi o. Be na bi o. Police headquarters na chi bi o.
Yeah.
And it's a home for there. It's either paracetamol on spot. And I make you say drink more water. Now home for say the baby other. You need a rest.
Yeah, sure.
Tension down so the MFA baby man on that. On the mosquitoes from Asa. It's becoming unbecoming of this particular guy. No matter where you come home. Who are 52 million Ghana?
No, $45 million.
For what?
For the Cocoa Roads contract.
Oh yeah. Why not? I don't want this canoe.
There are several other contracts, school buildings and what have you. And also home assembly.
I'm so sorry.
No.
In just a minute, I'm in
Cocoa Roads.
Yeah.
Mahama awarded roads, no?
Yeah, sure.
Your friend is saying the Omodema contractors, no mobilization.
Yeah.
First phase mobilization. Sanko ye president the 3 more dinya. Anka all awarded Cocoa Roads 2 months to elections. No some mobilization. Sɛ na Mahama te sɛ Akufo-Addo a midonyame consent grade akwa ko bubu egu kwan no so. But award ye etua mobilization. Ye winning election pepepe and Osafma for making statement on the Cocoa Roads. Then okay or say contractor bia wo ye Cocoa Road bia no jaye adwuma no ye be ye auditing ye audit wi a na ye bam eno mo ja kwan ne gu ho.
From that time,
palm contractors ni na Cocoa Roads na dey no mo ye papa we fi Cocoa grown area.
Yeah.
Bisa no say the krom kwan ye. For 8 solid years, na MPP nye audit ni wi. Do you know how much they spent on the audit? $18 million. And omode ye auditing no e wo Cocoa Roads. Who ye ya watam $45 million dey amakwabana Wontumi.
Ehon ye beba ho adwo na baba menko